All right, guys, here's 17 asking you to find a tangent line. Remember, a tangent line is in the form y equals mx plus b. We need to find m first. Our slope is our average rate of change, which is the limit as x2 approaches x1 of f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1. Remember, we don't know what x2 is, but this is x1 and this is f of x1. So this equals the limit as x2 approaches 1, because that's what x1 is. F of x2 is square root of x2 plus 3 minus f of x1, which is 2, all over x2 minus x1. So if I tried to plug in 1 for x2 with direct evaluation, I would get 0 in my denominator. So I need to manipulate this limit. I'm going to multiply by the conjugate of my numerator on top and bottom. Notice these signs just change. So using the difference of squares pattern, this is square root of x2 plus 3 squared minus 2 squared over x2 minus 1 square root of x2 plus 3 plus 2. So when I square a square root, this is approaching 1, limit as x2 approaches 1, this becomes x2 plus 3 minus 4 all over x2 minus 1 square root of x2 plus 3 plus 2. So if I combine these like terms, I have limit as x2 approaches 1 of x2 minus 1 over x2 minus 1 square root of x2 plus 3 plus 2. So now these factors cancel. So I'm left with the limit as x2 approaches 1 of 1 over square root of x2 plus 3 plus 2. So plugging in 1, I have 1 over the square root of 4 plus 2. Square root of 4 is 2 plus 2. 1/4 is my slope. So now that I have my slope, remember my tangent line is y equals mx plus b. We know our slope is 1/4, but we need to find b. Remember, we were given this one point, xy, that our tangent line should go through. 2 equals 1/4 times 1 plus b. So I have 2 minus 1/4 equals b. That is 8/4 minus 1/4 equals b, or b equals 7/4. So my tangent line is y equals 1/4 x plus 7/4. So remember that you need to know your average rate of change in order to find the slope of your tangent line.